Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Gummy Elephant from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off on the top here, and let's draw a bump up and down for the top of the head. Now for the end, let's draw a bump out and down. And then leave a gap and let's draw a curve underneath. Now let's draw the chin underneath. Let's draw a curve down and then bring it over to the left. And then add a wavy line across for the mouth. Now inside the head here on the left, let's draw the eye with a small circle. And then add a curve inside on the top right. And color the left section of the eye in black. Now that we have the head, let's add the trunk on the right here. Let's start from the bottom line and let's draw a wavy line down, like this. And then from the top line, let's continue it down with a bumpy line. And then close off the bottom with a curve. Now that we're done the head, let's move back up and let's finish drawing the shape of the body. Let's start under the chin and let's draw a curve down. And then hop back up to the top and we're going to draw a curve out to the left and down. Now underneath, we can start drawing the legs. Underneath on the right side here, let's draw a curve down for the first leg. And then from the bottom of the right line, let's bring it down with a bumpy line. Now from the bottom of both sides, let's bring it down and curve it in. And then close off the bottom of the first leg. Now let's move back up to the top and let's continue the line by curving it slightly over. Then let's hop up and let's draw a curve down. Then move over again and let's draw another curve on an angle for the other side of the leg. Now for the bottom of the left side, let's draw a curve out and down. And then follow that same curve down on the other side with a bumpy line. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Now let's hop back up and let's draw another curve across for the belly. And now let's draw the third leg. Let's hop up from the end and let's draw a curve down. Then from the bottom, let's curve it slightly over to the right and down. And now let's close off the left side with a bumpy line down. And then close off the bottom. Now let's add the fourth and final leg behind. Under the belly here, between the last two legs, let's draw a curve going down. And then continue it underneath the other foot. Now let's move over slightly on the right and let's draw a bumpy line down here and then close off the bottom. And that's it for the legs. Now let's move over on the left and draw the tail. On the bottom left of the body here, let's draw a curve going out and down. And the same thing on the top, but with a bumpy line. And then a curve to close off the tail. And that's it for the Gummy Elephant. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!